King Tutankhamen, rise to power. Commonly known as King Tut, King Tutankhamen rose to power after his father's death. He was only 9 at the time, but that did not stop him from taking his rightful throne. He only ruled for 10 years, from 1332 to 1323 BC, due to his death of unknown causes at age 18. Leadership style. Due to his young age during his reign, King Tut had many powerful advisors that gave him advice and helped him make important decisions regarding the kingdom. Since he only reigned for such a short time, and most of the decisions were made by his advisors, very little is known about his leadership style. However, many of the changes made during his leadership were done to make his people happy, which shows he truly cared about his kingdom. Accomplishments. Tutankhamen decided to return Egypt back to its old religious practices after his father had outlawed them during the previous reign. He felt that it would help restore the harmony with the gods, and it made a positive impact on the people. The restoration also involved erecting temples and buildings to worship those gods. However, the reason King Tut is so well known is because of how well preserved his tomb remained over the years. The relics he was buried with are still on display and viewed all over the world. Did you know he was buried with sandals with a painting of his enemies, so everywhere he went, he was squashing his enemies. His famous gold mask, seen to the right, was laid over his mummy in his tomb. He was nicknamed Boy King due to his young age.